All right, we are here at the La Quinta, Norfolk Airport. The reason I started over by the pool is we actually got the room right next to the pool. Probably not the most desirable, but you can see it high to the ceiling there. I guarantee that it's because we are right next to the pool. So as you walk in, we have a little sink outside. Some kind of drab looking tile there. Turn this on. Some dead bugs up in the bathroom light fixture up there, but bathroom actually looks pretty decent. Tub's not in the best shape. Drain plugs out, which is pretty common in budget hotels. But La Quinta is supposed to be more than that, in fairness. Water pressure's decent, hot water. Yeah, boy. It's not a great shower head, is it? Look at that.
It might be between settings.
Yeah, that might be it. I'm too short for that, so yeah, we'll report back. So I will go ahead and correct something for the record here. This is actually a very good hotel shower. Yeah, plenty of water pressure, probably a 2.5 gallon per minute head, which I feel like you never really see in hotels these days. So I actually had a very good shower this morning. I have a lot of hair and didn't really have trouble rinsing out any shampoo. So that was nice. So getting into the room, we got a wall-mounted TV with cable box just mounted there and some tape on top. I'm guessing that TV is partially broken. I don't really know what's going on there, but
We'll probably get billed for it.
probably. Got a microwave here, which could be cleaner. My microwave at home is definitely cleaner than that, and I don't really clean it. See if there's any goodies for us in the drawer here. Whatever that is. Nothing gross. And right in here we have a mini fridge. Mini fridge looks fine. Perfectly clean. Well, one thing I noticed on the way in here is that this old thermostat that I didn't bother to remove. Yeah, clearly this isn't active anymore. You just control it on the P-tack up there. Carpet's a little frayed at the edges, which is pretty common. All right, so we got a momentous occasion here. For the first time in Dan Hotel Review history, the phone works. Unbelievable. And then, of course, I got a souvenir from the world's best airline there, GoJet Airlines.
Wonder who could have brought that.
Yeah. And see, there's our P-tack. Now, it doesn't really smell the best in here. Again, because we're right next to the pool. You can see we got a first floor room. I also
got here at midnight. I'm guessing they gave us like the worst room in the hotel.
Yeah, we got what's left.
It might be its packing material.
Oh, it's new.
Fixed it.
There we go.
Look at that. House door.
We have a nice bland piece of artwork there. Got a little desk, which I gotta set up because I'm doing some BS for work. And you know what? Let's start looking at the bed. Let's move this beautiful hat. All right, now we got some kind of triple sheeting type setup here. Got a little coverlet up here, and a little thin wool blanket. It's It's kind of common to what you would see in like old-fashioned hotels. You know, with that flowery quilt on top, then a wool blanket, then a bottom, then a top sheet. That wool blanket is kind of like one of those. Mattress does feel pretty nice. Now, Quinta advertises pillow top mattresses, and this is definitely a pillow top. These pillows feel not great, honestly. This is,
There's a shock.
this is like a down pillow. Definitely feels like there's, it feels like there's actual feathers in there.
Yeah, it's kind of rare for a hotel.
Yeah.
It's surprising, actually.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like a very nice one, but
It might feel okay.
yeah. A little bit of a stain on the pillowcase here. It's probably just something that didn't come out in the wash. Leave a comment if you know what that looks like. I know what it looks like, but I'm not getting demonetized. All right, so just gonna check out this mattress here. So this is some kind of pillow top here. Got a little mattress pad. I don't want to demolish this thing too much because I'm tired, but it's looking inside. I guess I'm demolishing it anyway. So yeah, it looks like a little bit of an older Beauty Rest pillow top mattress. Got a little age to it, but perfectly clean. No stains that are gonna get me demonetized. So that's good. I'll remake that a little later. Yeah, nothing really, no cause to really tear it down too much. Jacob's bed here is a similar deal. And sheets feel pretty decent. Can't tell if they're like cotton. They're cotton, they're not microfiber, which is a thumbs up for me. I guess we might as well check if this lamp works, right? It does. There's definitely a stain on that lampshade. Again, I'm not going to say what that looks like.
Sadly, this might be the nicest La Quinta I've stayed at.
Yeah, I mean, I know I'm being a little harsh, but considering that this is one of the cheapest hotels in the Virginia Beach area, at least for the night that we booked, really not bad. It's about what I would expect for the price we paid. So, I see that chair doesn't look too good now, does it? And if you look closely, this chair really doesn't look too great either. Pro tip from somebody that travels a lot. If you sit in these chairs and you're a bit of a neat freak, I would just bring some Lysol wipes, because these, even at some better properties, these don't really get wiped down. At least not after every guest. But I'll sleep here comfortably. This is definitely the best hotel I've reviewed so far. Now, it's not saying much because I've reviewed one other hotel. Leave a comment if you know what hotel that was.
You notice there's only 5 rooms on this floor? We got a rare room.
There's only 5 rooms on this floor, huh?
Yeah, it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it.
Yeah, look at that. Might as well enter the lottery. Oh, and they only have 1 elevator here.
That's only 3 floors, I think.
Yeah, fair enough. All right. Well, Jacob, do you want to send us off?
Yeah. Greetings from the best hotel ever. Hope you enjoyed.
All right, that's it.